थोड़ा चलो.
Oh, hey, what is that? What are you doing kayo? Yan So yung guys, first time naming lumabas, sasakay kami ng tricycle, may pupuntahan kami, so excited si Shania. Ayan dito sa mga tropa natin. Mga tropa nating tricycle driver din Shout out! Hello! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas, brother! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, mate! Yeah, long time no see. Long time.
Merry Christmas!
Yay! 1 week now here. 1 week now.
કેવું ચાલે છે?
Where is their chocolate? Tomorrow we forget. Tomorrow, yeah.
એ ચોકલેટ
So going to Alright, don't worry.
ના
Ayan ang mga tropa natin dito sa Nadjad. Yeah.
ના
Who's
ન્યુ યર
your number one? Alright.
there is a number.
You're very lucky one.
Yeah, go.
Yes, Nene.
साइकिल पे आएगा
Sorry?
आप फोटो आएगा ना मेरा
Yes, look, it's recording. Yeah. What is your name?
जोसेफ खेड़िया
Joseph Korea, shout out.
Thank you,
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Methodist Church treasurer
Yeah, this one. Yeah, treasurer. Treasurer. All right. Shout out, Joseph. Thank you very much. Tuwan-tuwa sila. I'm going to start here. Yes, young guys. I forgot Tarunam Sucha?
તમારું
I forgot your name.
राज
Raj, yes.
Raj bhai.
Nice to see you again. Ayan guys, so si Shania ay sabik na sabik makasakay ng tricycle.
She missed this tricycle, yes,
Allen
yes.
Church. Yes, Allen Church. Dito tayo nagsimula sa Nadjad. Papasyal natin kayo papunta sa town.
আমার ডিমার্ট যান
Yes, straight to D-Mart. Tingnan natin, first time uli nating lumabas,
Shall I
guys.
go with the friend?
No, I'm okay here.
This is the mission road
Yes, Mission Road, yan no?
FK market
I miss this place very much. Yeah, we visited the church already. Come on.
Let's give him priority.
Yes, a big bus yan no, lalaki. Ito yung nami-miss ko dito sa India, yung ingay. Very lovely place. Oh, she's Filipina? Look like Filipina. Here, this one. Computer shop. Nung nag-a-apply kami ng UK, doon lagi ako nagpe-print. Gawa na pala tong building na to. Siya mo, this building is done already. Ayan, ang mga baka sa India. Normal lang yan. Ayan, this future. Dito nag-view kami ng dati ng ni Shama dyan sa sa taas. Siguro na, wala na, puro sold out na. Ayan, oh. Inigiba na pala yun.
That is available
Where is the new one?
here.
That side. Let me see. Inside.
Yeah.
This is church or?
There is a
Junior
church.
church.
Junior church.
Junior
Big, small church and big church is there.
This is this one.
And this is the new one. I don't know if they can see. They're still hiring people, not hiring.
You mean this is like residential for sale, yeah?
for sale.
And malapit na tayo sa bridge. Talagang ang mga tropa ay miss na miss tayo. Ayun yung malaki yung tag dito. Ayan, dito minsan tayo naglalakad, oh. Yung una pa tayo sa vlogging.
That's it. Nini like rickshaw journey.
Yes. Dinay, how do you feel again? Because in UK, no rickshaw, yeah?
No rickshaw.
Oh, Sama, this one is look. it's operating now.
This is government.
It's government, yeah?
Government bank.
Ah, government bank. Okay. And dito ang railway. Papuntang, Mumbai, Delhi. Yan tayo sumasakay papunta ng Mumbai, Delhi.
Kolkata, everywhere you can
Yes.
travel. It is small town, but we have all facilities.
Yeah. Train, buses.
post office, bus stop, hospital,
University, yeah?
universities, MBBS doctor. I'll
Yeah,
show you.
you can study doctor.
Yeah, doctor. Yeah.
It's not that far from the city center where we
Nadiad
live.
is a small town, but
No, but where you live as
easy.
well is not that
Yeah.
far from city center.
And transportation as well not expensive. You can travel one end to another end easily.
And Kayon is studying here. Ah, it's done already there. That area. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo
This
sa...
is one of the government offices.
Yes. Ah, yeah, I remember that side. Yes. Like land title, that side. Medyo crowded na dito kasi.
It is still not. You will
Oh.
see near to Satram Market.
Yes, look at that.
Like this time as well.
First time uli natin makapunta dito sa town since na-arrive ko. How many days now we are here? Like 6 days?
Six, yeah.
6 days na. Yeah,
I've
first
been
time lang.
already many times.
You been already? Ah, yeah.
Because I'm going for some work.
Me and Nina, first time. Ah, this is closed.
It's closed.
Ah, that's why we're going this way. Really? So, I think this way is going to train station.
Yes.
Nadjad train station. Pakita natin. Ayan guys, ang mga baka dito, normal lang yan. Yes.
Everywhere.
Very train station this side, yeah?
This side.
I remember this place. Yeah, I remember this place.
You remember? You remember, Nina?
Yeah, I remember when you come back from grocery, I hear trains coming.
Yes.
When it turns night.
I will show to them.
And always night. Yes, that is true.
Because night time, going home, this is the night, yeah? This is the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the train station.
Nadjad train station.
Yeah.
Yan guys, busy na.
This is broken, you see.
Which one? Ah,
This shop was shop here.
what are they doing now here?
We are doing bus stand.
Ah, extension. Ah, ginagawa na pala itong bus stand extension. Mas maganda, maluwang.
Shop here.
Yeah.
This side.
Before, oh, it's many changes now here.
Then we're looking flyover.
Flyover?
Yes.
Really?
From this end to another end. Over it will be extra highway.
Oh,
They will make my old house will come underneath the flyover.
really? Oh. So yan guys, so it's totally different in the UK. But guys, because it's winter time, it's cool time. But during summer here, oh, humid. Very humid. Yes, look. Yes. We will get sweat. But dahil winter yan, oh, kulang weather, medyo okay magbiyahe dito. Hindi ka papawisan. How many? 9 minutes. Hanggang sa D-Mart, panoorin ninyo kami. Yan oh. Ah, this is where your house, yeah? This side. Ah, yeah, this is the one, your old house ni Shama. Ah, pot. We're going to buy pot, yeah?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
This is the reason we come here. Because it is overcrowd.
Sorry?
It is overcrowd here now.
Yeah. But this is what I miss here.
This here.
Yes.
Very busy.
If you grown up here, you will really miss
love
this.
Because I grown up with noise.
With the
I
noise,
don't like silent.
with the people.
Yes. Talk to
And easy access here because, you know,
Everything, yeah.
Rexa.
everything. Even though no pen in the night, my dad go and buy pen or
Yes,
whatever project I have
easy.
to do.
And security. Life here is
This is
better.
Santram Market now.
Yeah, this one. Santram Market, guys.
Blanco.
Now, we will visit this. We will
Yes,
visit this
soon.
again.
Yeah.
Yan, no? Santram Market. Diyan tayo nag-viral.
Yeah.
What I'm saying as well is, it's very peaceful place, not Jad, yeah?
Yeah.
That's why it's nice to live here.
People
No,
are nice.
no drugs, no alcohol.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not allowed.
People are very helpful.
Mm.
Always.
People are just working.
Yeah. And friendly they are, you know.
Mm.
Munaba used to work.
Ah, yes. But he's not working here.
He's retired now.
Ah, shout out our friend from America.
Chris?
No, from Nadjad. They live in Nadjad.
Ah, yes.
You forget the
1
name.
minute.
Don't worry. We just shout out. They are family. 3 children. Yeah.
Manish Bhai.
Manis by shout
Manish Bhai
out.
from USA. Sorry.
They are originally from
I'm
Nadjad.
enjoying weather now.
Yes. It's cool
They-
weather.
They come to see us when we were here. Thank you. Yeah.
Shout
and
out
he
again?
messaged me as well.
Shout out again their name.
Yes. Shout out to Manish Bhai from USA. You can see Nadyar.
Yes. We are near now to College Road, yeah? Yeah, College Road means university here and colleges.
This is
That's-
one second course like
Yeah,
my area is boys.
that's why they call this college.
Yeah. And this area is boys.
Education, yeah, education place.
Our side is hospital.
Yeah.
Bhargav is from here.
Bargo?
Yes.
Oh, shout out to Bargo. Bargo, we are here now in your territory.
Nadia Jo.
Hmm. Oh, maybe if he watch this, I will put the title Pasyal tayo sa Nadjad.
Yes. Many viewers are there. He's asking for Nadia, yeah?
Yes.
They are originally from here and
Let's show it to them again. Like that one.
Nadia.
I love Nadjad. That one. Yes. Yeah, the road is good. Road is good. It's all asphalt. They are improving a lot now here. I think this is new, Shama, yeah? This,
HDFC.
no, this,
Oh,
statue?
yeah.
It's new, yeah? New. You know, vegetable, oh?
From here you will get shuttle to direct to garden.
Yeah,
We have quarters.
Anand, yeah.
Yeah? બધા quarter હોય છે કઈથી કઈ જવાનું. ઘડિયા અહીંયા જવાના ସବୁ.
Yes, where we buy our washing machine here. I think this side, yeah?
Ahead. Roma.
Chroma.
Yes.
Not there, not there. You know our washing machine?
Yeah.
We bought? It's in Chroma.
Roma what?
I think it's gone. Yeah.
Roma is ahead.
Still.
Still ahead, yeah. Look, balloon. Maybe.
Guys, Nadjad is not that big place. This is just like Lipa City. I think Lipa City is more bigger than Nadjad. But Nadyad has everything from transportation to university.
Hospital, bank.
Yeah.
Temple, big temple.
Oh, what is here
So
now?
much street food as well.
What is here now?
Now traffic light.
Ah, there's a traffic light here. That's why.
Okay.
Alright, Nina, you enjoy now, yeah? First time again after 2 years.
How about Kion? He feels sleepy already. Look. He's tired.
Malapit na tayo guys sa D-Mart. Siguro ano na lang, 5 minutes. Ang sunod na yung papakit natin yung university where MBBS can study, the doctor.
Where I used to work. I
Yeah,
done set up.
Shama.
I done set
You're
up.
the pioneer there, yeah?
Yes, I done set up.
When you're starting.
Yes. I'm the one who arranged that.
Yeah.
Five in charge, and one of them I'm the one.
You're the pioneer, yeah?
Yes.
Alright. Let's see, where is it now? Because when I arrived here 2019, yeah, we used to pick you up,
Yeah.
me and Kartik.
It was very brand new.
Yeah, here.
This is the one.
Yeah, this big building. NDDSI Medical College and Hospital. Yan ang laki, oh. Nini, you know, when she got dengue, yeah?
Yes.
She was confined here. So now when she got dengue.
Here I used to work.
Ah, Downs Desai University. You know, better Sophie study here than dentist, yeah?
Yes, but here as well, very tough competition. For point one as well,
Ah.
you can lose the seat.
That's the problem. But if she got here, it's very. I think this is for dentist. This side,
Yes,
yeah.
dentist.
Yeah.
Some other quarters there.
Okay.
My
Sayang.
dad used to work here.
Yeah, your
In
dad.
library.
Because one of Shama's niece, she's studying in Punjab.
Sophie, you
Yeah.
know.
Punjab, and it's very far.
There is canal here.
Dentist, yeah, the canal. Famous canal.
Sorts of street food here. This side, yes, Domino's.
Ah, Sanket NJ still there. Yeah, Domino's still there. Where is the Burger King?
I heard they open Burger King.
Are we going to straight away?
Burger King કઈ આવ્યું છે ખબર છે તમને?
Are we,
Want to eat Burger King or no? McDonald's?
so we will go to McDonald's first, Shama.
Yes.
And then we... So yung guys, kakain pala muna ng McDonald's. Si Shania.
McDonald's આગળ ઉતારશો.
And we are here now. At least naipasyal namin kayo sa Nadyad. Yeah, kasya kami dito. Siksikan.
I'm looking for Burger King. Yeah, Burger D.
Ah, Burger D. Not no, it's here already. I think. All digital store is here. Chroma, yeah,
Here we bought all over.
yeah. Chroma is here.
Yes. We are near guys, Roma.
Yeah.
We done pizza challenge over here.
Yeah.
Lapino's pizza. Lapino's pizza with boys.
Yeah, and there is a what's this? Ah, I forgot. Yeah.
Yes. All
Ah,
pizzas.
the Burger King is there, Sama, beside
Burger-
McDonald's.
Oh,
Look,
it's there? Oh,
Yeah.
Burger King is there.
beside McDonald's.
I saw. I don't know exact location.
Mm.
They say it is on College Road.
Mm.
You know, I'm upgrading myself before coming. And
Alright.
always I do. want Burger King or McDonald's?
McDonald's.
They want McDonald's. They want
So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys.
Where's the McDonald's statue?
They change.
They change.
Okay.
Oh, Burger King is this side. Alright. Huh?
100.
Give him more for the boys. Thank you very much, yeah?
How much I give?
Just extra 50.
તમારા બાળકો માટે નાતાલની gift.
Thank you.
Thank you, ha? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ayun.
Pili chocolate. I'm talking about.
Alright, yun lang guys. We're going to eat here. Thank you for watching Bimbo Conejo Vlogs. Please like, share, and
Subscribe!
subscribe.
Okay. Saan kayo day